Well, I think I mentioned last time I was reviewing my vegetable plot that the rabbits, yes, we got a lot of grass here and the rabbits come in and they've been chewing off my cabbages. Well, they've made a right mess, and you have a look at those cabbage. There's hardly anything left of them, and they're Caraflex, they're a nice cabbage, and they've actually, you know, chewed the ends off. So what are we going to do? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to use this one. Now, this is called Grazers. This is one that's particularly for rabbits, pigeons and deer. Now, if you haven't ever used Grazers, it's totally organic. It's a marvellous product. It does help the plant to grow as well. And you've only got to, you can spray it on all food crops. As it says on the label, it's been used by farmers for years, but it's also been available to gardeners for the last few years as well. I've used it successfully before, and I thought when I saw these cabbages, Grazers is going to be the one to try. So what we're going to do is use it on the cabbage, and then we'll come back and look at the cabbages and see whether it's worked. The real problem is if you've got really heavy storms, you would have to reapply, and it's worth, I think, putting it on once a week to keep them away. So let's we turn it on. It's got a safety top like most sprays today, and all I do is go down and give them a really good spray all the way over them like that. Oh, and we mustn't forget that one over in the corner. Interestingly, they don't touch the beetroot, as they seem to love cabbage. So there we are. Out of interest as well, Grazers also do one for cabbage white, they do one for slugs, they do a great range. And in fact, if you look, I'm going to show you some other ones actually just over here that have also taken the bashing. Down here, we've got some, that was supposed to be purple broccoli. So I think, we'll see what they do as well, and we'll come back and have a look and see how well Grazers has worked. So they are Grazers for rabbits, pigeons and deer even.